Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. I am back. Oh my gosh, I'm all alone. So Lenny was planning on driving in today, but he's actually coming on Monday. And we're going to discuss this collection next week too. But I wanted to give you a little sneak peek because so many fall candles are rolling into Goose Creek. And I want to thank Goose Creek for sending me these candles to review and preview. They have another collection called Autumn Artistry, and then they have another collection that is, let me get to candles. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It is more gourmand scents like sweet potato vignette and golden harvest citrus. And there's another one I really thought, oh, apple cider ice cream. I'm like, oh yeah, bring these on. But right now I want to talk about, I have 8 candles in the fall recipes collection. We're going to go over these, give you a little sneak peek. Peach pecan waffles is baked peaches, buttered waffles, and warm maple syrup. This one is incredible. And I usually don't like peach, but this is just a beautiful fall peach. The buttered waffles really mixes in. That one's a winner for me. Okay, next up we have honey pear crumble. Look at these jars, so pretty. Caramelized pear, sweet honey, and crumble topping. This one's good. This is actually very tart. There's crumble in here, but I'm getting a lot of tart pear, which is interesting because it's supposed to be caramelized pear. It's a little tart for me. I like it though. So we have that one. Next up, we have classic apple pie, which is Macintosh apples, cinnamon sugar, and homemade crust. I haven't smelled any of these, by the way. Oh yeah. This is actually a good apple pie. I'm getting a lot of cinnamon. I'm getting a lot of the crust. I like the crust in here. That's actually really good. Okay, next up we have caramel pecan pie. Remember Lenny did those 2 Goose Creek candles last night. I think he did the pumpkin s'mores one, which he really liked. So I can't wait till he tries these too. Glazed pecans, warm caramel, and flaky pie crust. Oh, that smells good too. I like the flaky pie crust note in there. Okay, next up, blueberry pancakes. I'm sure this one's going to be blue. Wild blueberries, sugary maple syrup, and warm pancakes. Oh my gosh, this smells incredible. I like the way they did like the light waxes. It's just very gentle and very fall-like. Farmhouse breakfast. Okay, warm fluffy pancakes, hickory smoked bacon. Oh yeah. And sweet maple syrup. I get the bacon. I don't think anyone's doing a bacon candle this year. Oh my gosh. I like bacon candles. That smells incredible. It is actually a hickory smoked bacon. Apple cider. Apple cider is autumn apple, spiced cider, and cinnamon stick. Beautiful. Very strong on the cinnamon stick. This almost smells a little Christmassy. Okay, and then the final one is toasted marshmallow and hot chocolate. So you have a really nice array of candles here. Campfire marshmallow, gooey chocolate fudge, and vanilla cream. This is incredible. It is toasted marshmallow and hot chocolate. That one's a good one. So I really am digging this collection. So many good ones. The new ones, let me see, are the honey pear crumble, the classic apple pie, and of course, we still have the Halloween candles to do. So Lenny and I haven't done Haunted Spellbook, Halloween Bonfire, Enchanted Elixir. We still have to do those. I'm still enjoying the first selection, which is the Twilight Graveyard. Scary Cherry Brownie is incredible. And then, like I said, they have a whole new selection of candles, and they're $10.99 right now, including spiced fallen leaves, bonfire leaves. Oh my gosh, the candles for fall are incredible at Goose Creek. Farmhouse Pumpkin, Cool Harvest Morning, Blessed Day, First Autumn Frost. I'm not ready for the first frost yet. Everything Fall, the Apple Cider Ice Cream, Harvest Hayride, so many good ones. So I'm actually looking forward to sharing these with Lenny. I'm sure he's going to create a beautiful aesthetic for these candles. I cannot wait. But I want to give you a little bit of a sneak peek tonight because of the sale, but we'll be doing these again later in the week. I'm going to try and burn a couple. I will see you guys later. Thank you so much, Goose Creek. Bye-bye.